guys, back again with another video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am excited for you to be here. But go ahead and like this video and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is find some inspo or any kind of aesthetic that you want for your home screen. So I've seen a couple where they had like a dark background, or some people, each little slide was a specific color, or your whole aesthetic was one color with a whole bunch of different things. So you just want to go into Pinterest and basically find your aesthetic. You could just search like, I'm gonna search baddie aesthetic and have all of these different things here. And then what you want to do is just find a whole bunch of pictures and you just save it. Save a whole bunch. You want to kind of have a lot just in case there's some that doesn't match the aesthetic that you want. And then also you want a simple, kind of simple, or if you don't want simple, background that matches. So something like that or whatever, so it won't look like too much for your apps. The first thing we're gonna do is the home screen wallpaper. So we're gonna just already had downloaded some pictures, and I picked this one. This one matches the aesthetic the best. And now this is how it looks. Now you have a little overview of what your aesthetic is looking like. It's already coming together. Yeah. So next is organizing your apps. So kind of deciding where you want to go and what apps you want to keep on your home screen. You don't have to delete them either, which I love about this update. You can just move your apps to the app library and just keep basically importing apps. So I already have the apps, some of the apps in like little widget boxes of where I want everything to go already. Next up are the widgets, the best part you've been waiting for. So you want to download the WidgetSmith app. So you want to go in WidgetSmith, and you already see right here, I already have widgets. We're going to do a small widget, and you tap on it, and see it has different types of things that you could do. You have different fonts and colors and all of that. But we're gonna do a picture. So tap photo, tap that. We're gonna do this one. Save. And we're gonna exit out of that. And then now you wanna basically hold down on the screen, press the plus button, and then press that small WidgetSmith app, and then add it. Boom. Now it automatically added that, but if you just want to change it and it doesn't do that, you want to hold down on it and then press edit widget, and then so you can change it to a different one, just like that. And now basically we're just gonna organize where we want them to go. So we're gonna put this one here. I'm gonna add another widget. You just scroll down to the bottom of WidgetSmith. Add another one. This one there. We're gonna pick this one. Now the little pink apps at the bottom, I could not find my own, so I just drew them. But if you don't want to do that, I'm going to show you how to actually make an app icon and not just plain pictures. You can have the actual icon on the front. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you want to do is you will need the Canva app for this. So you go to Canva and just pick any square post, but Instagram post is literally right there. So you want to pick that. Pick a blank one. All you do is tap the background, pick any type of color that you want or picture. We're gonna go obviously like this kind of color. And then after that, press the plus sign at the bottom right corner. And then we're gonna go illustrations. We're gonna search. Look at that, got a cute little Twitter. We're gonna do this one, this white. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Save that. How cute that is. That's cute. And that's how you do it. Now you can do it a different way, but have a picture in the background. So we're just gonna camera roll, add my own picture. And look how that looks. So cute. And now that's how it looks. Next up, I'm gonna show you how to create app shortcuts. Let's get it. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the shortcuts app and then just search shortcuts, and then we're gonna add it. Add an action, go to scripting, open app, and we're gonna choose, let's just say, the clock app. And then you're gonna press the little 3 dots right there and put clock. And then press add to home screen, and then tap the little box beside it. Let's change the name first. And you can choose a picture. We're just gonna choose this one. And then edit. And then click done. And there it is. And then you tap on it, it should take you to the clock. And that is how you do the shortcut. So lastly, that you've been waiting for, actually you've been waiting for all of this, but lastly, I am going to be showing you all the neat things that this update has. The first thing is we're gonna go to messages. So the first thing with messages is that you can reply to something. Simple as that, which is cool. And the second is, as you can see at the top with the 3 little circles, you can pin your contacts. Basically, like if you text this person the most, they can be pinned to the top so you can see them right there, which is cool. Next thing is the Siri. So I'm just gonna see as an example. Hey Siri. It looks like a little cool warp thing, which is awesome. Okay, the next thing is at the bottom. I don't have that many little slides, but the little button at the top, you can hold it and it scrolls easily like that. And then if you go down a little bit and you tap on it, you can like choose what you don't want there, which is cool. You can edit your pages. Okay, now we're gonna go to the camera. So one thing is different is if you hold to the side, it bursts. But if you hold it down, it records, and then you slide to the other side and it locks. Oh, and also in the camera, if you go to portrait mode, you can actually change the aperture in the background, which is pretty cool. And last thing is we're gonna go to settings. You go to, where is it? Accessibility. There should be accessibility. Oh, there it is. Then you go to touch, all the way at the bottom, back tap, and then we're gonna do double tap, and we're gonna do home screen. So you just turn it around and wait a second, you can't see. Screen is too bright. See that? Yeah. Okay. And that's how you do that. Yeah. So I hope you guys really like this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you think. Follow my Instagram and show me your home screen and how it looks. Yeah. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Oh, so nervous. If you are new here, welcome back to my channel. And why do you always mess up my video?
I need your phone for a number.